Imagine this. You upload one video to YouTube and boom, it hits 2.3 million views in just 2 months. No camera, no crazy editing, no hours of work, just AI. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not. This brand new channel did exactly that with AI tools like ChatGPT, and it's now pulling in 4 million views across 23 videos with 67,000 subscribers. And here's the kicker. It takes just 10 minutes to create one of these videos. Let me show you a quick clip from their most popular video, because what I'm about to teach you will help you create something just like it.
A long time ago, in the village of Archie, there was a princess named Ego, who was the first daughter of King Cheta.
Pretty impressive, right? These videos are racking up thousands of views daily, and creators like this are making 5,000 plus per month starting out. Stick with it, and that could jump to $10,000 per month faster than you think. Today, I'll break it down into 5 simple, actionable steps you can follow to make videos like this, even if you've never made a video before. And be sure to check the description. I've included every tool and prompt you'll need. Let's dive in. Step 1, crafting stories. Great videos start with great stories, and this is where ChatGPT works its magic. Even the free version is enough. Here's a winning prompt. Provide attention-grabbing, scandalous true adult love story titles from history for YouTube videos. Want kid-friendly content? No problem. Swap adult for kids. Fictional or non-fictional? Your call. ChatGPT's got you covered. If you're not thrilled with the first results, just ask for more options. Once you have a title you love, try this. Create an animated story for a 10-minute YouTube video titled Your Chosen Title. Want to save time? Add this. Make it engaging, provide scene descriptions, and include AI prompts to generate 16:9 images for each scene. ChatGPT will give you a detailed, captivating story in seconds. On to the next step, step 2, generating stunning images. Now, let's bring the story to life with the visuals using Leonardo AI Image Generator. The link's in the description. 1. Open Leonardo AI and head to the image generation section. 2. Select a 3D animation style for modern, vibrant images. 3. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for that widescreen look. Copy the descriptions for your first scene from ChatGPT and paste them into Leonardo AI. Refine with details about the setting, mood, and characters for the best results. Hit generate, and boom, you've got stunning images. Repeat for all your scenes. Pro tip, play around with styles and settings until it feels just right. This is where your creativity can shine. Step 3, animating the images. Now, let's make these images move. Enter Lipix, a free i3D animation tool. 1. Sign up and upload your images. 2. Experiment with animation styles like horizontal, wide circle, or perspective to add variety. 3. Adjust animation speed to keep it polished. Slower movements often look more professional. Once you're happy, download your animations. Repeat for all scenes. By now, your video is starting to come together and it looks amazing. On to the voiceover. Step 4, creating the voiceover. A great video needs a great voiceover, and 11 Labs makes it easy. 1. Paste your entire story into their text-to-speech tool. 2. Choose a voice that fits your theme, professional, fun, dramatic, you name it. 3. Generate and download your voiceover. While the free version is solid, consider their starter subscription if you're serious about monetizing. Quick note, the description has links to all these tools to make your life easier. Don't forget to check it out. Step 5, bringing it all together. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece using CapCut, a free video editing tool. 1. Start a new project and upload your animations and voiceover. 2. Stretch the clips to match the voiceover's timing. 3. Add subtle visual effects like rain for romance or sparks for action. 4. Use sound effects and royalty-free music to enhance the mood. Export at 1080p 60 FPS for top-notch quality. Your video is now ready to upload.
Beneath the sands of Egypt and the grandeur of Rome lies a secret love that changed the course of history, a love that sparked alliances, ignited scandals, and ultimately led to murder. Our story begins in 48 BCE.
And that's it. With just 10 minutes per video and a bit of creativity, you're on your way to a channel that could earn you $10,000 per month or more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.